We bought an Atari Crystal Castles on the internets for $500, and we're going to continue to, restore it. So let's vacuum up the nasty spider nests and things and like that. And we're going to take these casters off. The first one was easy. It was a bolt. Very simple. And then I realized this is like a security screw on this bolt. So I go and find my security screws and, well, what are they? The nuts? I don't know. Anyway, try to get this guy off, and then we got it. And this is actually the correct leg leveler that goes on here. The caster actually caused this, to sort of bend. So we're going to push that back a little bit and get it to be sort of flat, a little bit better. All right, more security screws. There were 4 casters on this guy. This one was pretty easy. Another leg leveler on, and now we're halfway there, like Bon Jovi said, right? Okay, so now there's something weird here. It's not fitting. So this is yet another. It's a hex screw, and I'm turning it, and and I hate using this thing. I need to get better hex options, but it's not going to work. So I got to go get my needle nose and my Big Mama needle nose. The baby one lasted like for a second, so I'm going to do this to grab the nut that's on the inside. That's what she said. Okay, so then we got the screw off. Great success. Put that third leg leveler on. Is it going to be this hard on the last one? Security screw 1 off, and at least this is a security screw, but we still need to grab its nut. I'm not saying it again. Get a better view here of me grabbing the nut, and then we're going to take this off, and we will finally have our last leg leveler installed. Flip it on there, screw it on, boom. Beautiful. Okay, next we're going to set it upright and take a look at the monitor. We're going to adjust the screen brightness. But let's look in here. How old is this monitor? August 23rd, 1982. Wow. And then August 25th, 1982. I guess those are the dates that it became, serviceable. All right, we're going to turn it on. See how bright that is? So underneath, I'm going to reach in and I'm going to adjust a knob called screen, which is technically the word for brightness. And I will even give you a freeze frame of what it looks. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? Way better than the thing. So let's get some Windex out. Let's break that out and clean up the insides and the outsides and the undersides. And we're going to put these stoppers on the legs because, you might jam your foot into it. So these are pretty cool plastic. There's one that should go here, but the hole's too big. And I don't really understand that. We'll come back to that later. Maybe we'll figure that out. I'm going to put these carpet sliders on because I still want to be able to slide this thing around the house. I think we're going to set it up to where it'll be like a really tall coffee table. Yeah, let's sit down and play a little bit. I'm going to work on the gouge that was on the control panel on the other side. But not quite yet. You can see me playing the world's fastest rounds of Crystal Castle there. All right, I think we did it. We got this thing working. It's nice. The screen's nice.